Morning, y'all. So it's 3:05 a.m. in the morning, and we are heading out to the airport right now, right this minute, to catch our flight. We are going on a solo trip. We are going on another solo trip. So super excited. I can't wait to share this experience with you guys. We both gonna share it. It would be my first time going to this country, so we are gonna leave out because I wanted to leave my house at 3 o'clock, and you know it's 5 minutes past the hour, maybe more since we're talking right now. So yeah, we need to head out, but I'm gonna quickly show you guys the full airport fit, and then we're gonna head out. All right, so airport check, y'all. We're working with this cut-up jeans, sneakers, of course, and this top. I think it's from Shein, and definitely gotta wear a jacket. I'm sure the plane will be cold. So yeah, just cute airport fit, nothing fancy. And yeah, we need to head out right now. Later, I'll see you at the airport. Alright, so picking up my friend at my friend's house. He's gonna drop me off at the airport. So yeah, y'all, I wanted to get there, obviously I'm in Jamaica, so the best thing is to get there 3 hours prior to the flight. So it's 3:30 now, and I wanted to, the flight is at what, 7:55 in the morning? Yeah, no, 6:55. So I wanted to get there now, so I'm running late. So yeah, I'm gonna splurt to the airport right now. I am gonna splurt to the airport. What's that? I just realized, actually, you know what, I didn't even get any sleep. I went, as my alarm was set for 2 a.m. and I went to my bed 1:30. So I literally just closed my eyes. I got like a 10-minute nap, and that was it. Oh, I probably shouldn't have slept. I should have just, you know, showered, got ready, and all of that. I did shower like around 9 o'clock, but of course we're going to the airport. We gotta shower again. We not even airport, we are going on the road. We gotta shower again. So I kind of messed up the timing, and I'm basically like an hour from the airport from my home, so I kind of miscalculate. But we're not that crazy late, but we ain't definitely not missing the flight. Like, never. So yeah, the one that look like he heavy.
Which one?
This he heavy. Oh man, let's try it with it next year. We are all checked in, and yeah, I'm gonna head upstairs. We passed customs and all of that. So whew, the escalator not working, so stairs it is. So no food places open right now. Island Grill opens at what? She said 5:30. Burger King, them open at 5 o'clock. So I'm gonna wait till 5 o'clock to get something at Burger King. Then I head downstairs. But literally no store not open. I don't understand how airport open and nowhere not open. This is what, oh, I need to put time at my watch. Whoops. Like, I don't understand. It is puzzling. By the way, it's the first time I'm at the airport like so early, so this is very new to me. We're not open yet, but it's okay. It's 4:30 something. Oh, but we are so ready for our solo trip. So this is literally my second solo trip ever, and it's definitely a vibe. Solo trip are a vibe. I won't show you guys where I'm going yet. You guys will see, maybe in this vlog, maybe in another vlog, I don't know, we shall see. But just know, you know, super excited. I'm so ready for this solo trip. I am super ready for this solo trip. Like, I can't wait, y'all. So this is literally like my second solo trip ever, so we are super ready and super prepared for this. So hope everything goes good with the flight. My transfer is booked, my hotel confirmed, everything is good to go. So yeah, we are just gonna stay here till Burger King open. Boarding is at 6:15, so as soon as it opens 5 o'clock, grab that food and then head downstairs because it says it's what, 8:01. So yeah, by the way, croissants, and this came off just now. I don't understand how it come off so quick. Yeah, but anyways, cute croissants, loving it. I look for my bros. Oh, yo, if you hear me I talk about my bros 24/7, just know I'm still upset and I still want like punch the man in my face. Just know. Do you want to cry and fight at the same time? We and the man mess up my bros. But you know what? We're not gonna talk about this. We're gonna be happy. We're gonna have fun, and yeah, we're gonna spend time together on that trip, yeah. My bros, bro. I feel like me look like alien. Like my bros has not looked like this since high school, and that's how many moons ago. Or the lights in the background. Long time my bro didn't look like this. My bros used to look like this in high school. Like I have passed the stage of a pencil eyebrow. Lord. You know what? I'm gonna head to the restroom and then come back and then yeah. So we bought our meal. That's bought myself like a croissant, sandwich, and orange juice and tea. Alright, so belly full and all of that. It is what they said boarding is at 6:15. Listen, let me tell you, I am super tired. This early thing is crazy, but I like it early because I'm gonna reach early. So glad. I appreciate you guys for watching this airport vlog, and the next vlog coming up, you guys will see me at my destination. And yeah, thumbs up this video, like this video, and are y'all ready for the solar vibes? We are ready for the solar vibes, okay? It's party time.